Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I got invited to a place called the Autobahn Country Club just outside of Chicago. It's actually in Joliet, and there's a thing called the Xtreme Xperience, which is basically the opportunity to drive Lamborghini, Ferrari, etc., right? So kind of like a racing car experience. So I'm going to bring the Osmo Pocket with. I don't know how much I'll actually be able to record. This is kind of partially a work event with one of our vendors, so I don't, I'll see what I can do with the with the Osmo Pocket, but should be fun. So we'll see. I'm almost there. And we'll see how this video kind of turns out, I guess. So do I just follow these guys?
Yep, we're going to just go ahead and roll slow out. I'm going to let a big gap form, but I'm going to wait till we get past these blue cones. So go ahead and just keep rolling. Just at this speed is fine. Just keep rolling like this. I'll let you know when to go a little faster. I just want him to get a nice little jump on us so that we're not right up behind him. So it gets around that green cone. Go ahead and go the same thing. You're going to go right around that green cone. All right. Good, so that's our apex cone. Go ahead and add a little gas if you're comfortable all the way up to your next turning cone, which is on your side. And then your eyes are up and you're going to be looking for the green apex cone on my side, and just bring the car around to that green apex cone. Good, keep letting it come around. Good, and then over to your side again. Go ahead and add a little gas. Good, just keep adding a little bit of gas through here all the way to your next turning cone over there on your side. Good, and then bring it over to green apex cone, my side. And keep it on my side for the next turning cone. Good, and then bring it over to your side for apex cone. Excellent, let it come just like that, nice and smooth. Let it come out just a bit, and then bring it back over to your side for the turn in. Good, let it come right over to your turning cone, and then bring it over to my side for your apex cone. Once you get past that apex cone, you can add a little bit of gas. Go to your side of the track and add gas to the yellow cones. Good, keep going all the way to the yellow. don't need to brake, just keep going straight for me all the way up to your turning cone and then touching the brake right here. Then off the brake, look for that green cone. Good, bring it around. And then all the way out, good, we're gonna get this wheel straight. Red Huracan looking for a pass, please. Go ahead and give it a little bit of gas, get right up behind him. Good, keep getting right up behind him. All right, we're gonna get a pass in a little bit, so you just stay right up behind him and then we'll pass him. So all the way over my side, good. Good, and then you're gonna turn in over to your side for that green apex cone. Excellent job. Keep it over on your side, right to that turn-in cone. Good, and then over to my side for the apex cone. Good, back over. Excellent job. All the way over to your side. All right, we're gonna pass over probably on my side here. Let's see, yep, go ahead and pass, get it nice and tight. Once you get that wheel straight, Andrew, go ahead and give it gas. Yep, give it as much gas as you want now, all the way to those yellow cones. Go ahead and keep going. Good, keep going, yep, just like that. Keep going, yep, good. Good. Left gear, squeeze on that brake. Good, and then back over to the apex. Pass for 2 after turn 2. Good, back over. Keep it right over on your side here. And then you're gonna bring it to my side. I want you to stay on my side. I'm gonna let 2 cars go by us.
Okay.
So keep it over on my side real tight. Don't stop, just keep nice and slow. Good, keep it right here. A little bit of brake as we come around. Perfect, thank you, Andrew. Good, now go tight to my side because you're getting in line right for that apex. Good, now keep it over on my side. Good, bring it all the way up to your turn-in cone and then over to the apex cone on your side. Good, add a little bit of gas as you come through. Good, a little bit more. And then keep it over on your side for the turn-in. Excellent, back over to apex cone on my side. Good, add a little bit of gas as you come through the corner. Good, and you go as fast as you want to those yellow cones. Good, yep, keep going. Good, we're gonna lift here. Squeeze on that brake, stay on the brake all the way up to your turn-in cone. Off the brake now, and then turn in over to the apex. Good, bring it around. Good, you get that wheel straight again as fast as you want to those yellow cones. Good, just keep going. Yep, there you go. Yep, keep going. Keep going, good. We're gonna lift here, squeeze on that brake. Good. And off the brake, turn in over to green apex cone your side. And then keep it over on your side for the turn-in cone. And then over to green apex cone my side. Bring it right around. Good, and then over to your side, turn in, apex cone my side, start adding gas. Good, keep adding, you get that wheel straight, you go as fast as you want all the way to those yellow cones. Good, keep going, good, good. Good, off the brake, turn it right into that green apex cone into lap 3. Keep it over on your side for the turn-in, and then over to my side for the apex. Excellent job, let it come around. Good, add a little bit of gas all the way to your next turn-in cone on your side. Good, keep it right here. And then eyes are up looking for that green apex cone coming up on my side. Bring it around, and then keep it on my side for the turn-in. Good, and then apex cone your side. Excellent job, let it come around. Good. And keep it over on your side for that turn-in. And then bring it over to my side for the apex. Good, start adding a little gas. Good, a little bit more, good, good. All the way to those yellow cones, as fast as you want to go. Good, and we're gonna lift here. Squeeze on that brake. All the way to turn in. Good, off, turn in, green cone my side. Good, let it come around. And again, this is your last straight. You go as fast as you want to those yellow cones. Good, good. Good. Look here, squeeze the brake. Good, stay on that brake. Good, and then we're gonna be pitting in this lap, so you're gonna be going straight towards that blue and red building.
Okay.
In between those blue cones. Nicely done. So we go all the way through. Excellent.
Well, I do have to say that was pretty fun. I just got done, actually drove a black Lamborghini Huracan, and it was an awesome time. I gotta come back. Yeah, this is really cool. So they actually have a part of the video, the in-car video, so I'll put that as part of this as well, just to just to kind of have just to post. It was very fun, very cool. Wish I could have done more laps, and without an instructor. I think I could have done it by myself, but it was really fun. Yeah, definitely recommend you guys. Anybody in the Chicago area, definitely take a check out the Xtreme Xperience at the Autobahn Country Club in Joliet. So this is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.